Easy Learning Printables Review. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creator B, and welcome to my channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP Low Content books and Etsy with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So today I am doing a review about Easy Learning Printables by Amy Harrop. And this launched yesterday on the 16th of February 2021 for the price of $19.99. Now that price goes up after the 23rd of February at midnight Eastern Standard Time. It goes up to $29.99, and there are 3 OTOs. So I actually purchased the front end and OTO 1. I'll explain to you what it all is, and I'll explain to you the reasons why I didn't purchase OTO 2 and OTO 3, but that's more to do with me than the actual product. Now, I am really impressed with this product, and if you want to check out the sales page, check out the link down in the description. So it's all about tapping into printables, but in the learning printables department, and not just early learning, it's also for older children as well. Now, the reason why printables are so huge in demand at the moment is not only because parents are homeschooling, but teachers actually need resources. And the reason why teachers need resources is most of them are doing 2 types of teaching at once. They are teaching pupils in school and also teaching children online and trying to send out work to other children that can't access online but can't also get into school for whatever reason. So there's been a huge demand where teachers can print these off and then send them out to their students. So again, it is a huge demand area, and it's one that's always going to keep coming and going. And as an ex-teacher, when I used to teach, I used to purchase resources myself from TES, which is the UK site where all teachers go to find things from jobs to resources. And Teachers Pay Teachers is another platform that you can actually sell your products on, and people go and actually look for products on there that they can use either to teaching their own children or teaching in their classrooms. So again, products can always be of any types, like worksheet, charts, crafts, flashcards, posters, games, busy books. All of these, you can create loads of them. In fact, you can create hundreds of them covering the same topic, but in different formats with different pictures, different age groups. So like with computing, you can cover algorithms in so many different ways with different things. So it is how you look at it. So there's some examples of different stores that have done printables, early learning printables, easy learning printables as well, and all the different things that they can use with it. And it's a growing industry. Some of the stores have generated nearly $5 billion in sales, and that was back in 2019, before the lockdown periods that we've all suffered and the different home education that's going on. 45 million buyers out there, and 80% of them are repeat customers because children need new things to be learning from. So there's all these different platforms. There's Teachers Pay Teachers, there's eBay. Amazon Ignite is limited. You can only apply for it if you're in the US, and they don't sort of approve people very quickly. And then KDP is where most of us on this channel are. We create low content books, and we can be creating these as low content books, then repurposing them as printables. There are some that we probably wouldn't do as low content books because the color in them is, there's too many pages, they don't cut out properly, there's all sorts of things like that where we're limiting ourselves. Whereas if we do this, we are actually repurposing things as well. So this is the sales page. I'll let you check it out because it goes into a lot more detail, and I'm sure you want to see inside. So this is inside Amy's membership area. These are all the courses that I have purchased over the years from Amy herself. So I have gone through a lot, and these are the ones here. This is the front end, and this is OTO 2. So inside the front end is broken down into 5 modules. So this is the guide that's in module 1. It's 102 pages. Don't be frightened by that because it is broken down into nice, simple, easy to read paragraphs, simple sentences, bullet points, and images to show you examples of all the different things that can be made as far as printables are concerned. And as you can see, a lot of them have color, which is something we are limited by with KDP. We can do it, but the price becomes quite high, and we can only do it for a small book or a small number of pages. So that is module 1. Then module 2 is actually all different videos, and it shows you where she goes about going and getting her graphics from, her fonts, everything like that. And it also shows you her using Canva. There is some training further on that shows you PowerPoint as well, so if that's what you use, there are both of them there. And then she talks about choosing which sort of platform, and then there's some worksheets for you to work through. These are not worksheets for you to use in the store, they're for you to work through with your ideas, finding your ideas, choosing your learning content, and deciding what platform you want to work on. And then there's also a checklist for you to be going through, and these checklists again is where you locate everything publishing and things like that. Then here is templates that you can be using and changing, and there is some videos here explaining how to edit them, how to change them, how to make it unique to you. So it says you can edit and reband the templates to create new products. So it is PLR. You may not resell the source documents or pass or resell it in any format. So you've got to sell it as a flattened PDF image that you have made unique. You cannot just bang it up there as a PowerPoint template or as a Canva template. It's got to be a flattened image. So that is the front end. Now I bought OTO 1, which is more templates for you to use and fun facts and reuse content. So here's the templates again, some more training, some more images, and OTO 1 is $27. And there's also a Pinterest planner because most of your traffic will come from Pinterest, so it walks you through there. And then this is an example of the fun facts, and it is a click through there. Now there are 2 more OTOs. I did not purchase these, but I'll explain to you why. OTO 2 is all about setting up your Etsy store. Now I have a lot of training with that. I've got my own Etsy store as well, so I didn't personally need that. But if you haven't got an Etsy store, it may be something that you might consider, and that upsell is $37. Then OTO 3 is creating checklists like this, so you can be going along and putting your links in and storing it on a piece of software that is cloud-based, so it doesn't matter whether you have a Mac or Windows computer. Well, quite frankly, I personally didn't feel I needed that. I have a checklist software that I use that's very different to this, but again, I don't feel you need it because you could actually be using Trello or Google Sheets or Excel to be doing that very thing. So that, if you do want it, it's $27, but personally I don't feel that you need it. So overall, it's a brilliant training package, and if you want to be getting into another market that's not just KDP, then this could be something for you to have a look at. The link is down in the description if you're interested in looking at that and checking it out as well. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button above my head with the little B, and also check out some of my other videos I have created.